How do we as clinicians support ADHD and autistic clients in a world and workplace that is not built for them? Yes, I view it as a structural problem, but people need help now. Yes, and how to deal with the systemic problem that works for them. Yes. And so, a couple different things. One is the person identifying what are their sensory needs and what are their social needs. And so, for some people, like during their breaks, they need to be able to like tune out. So like noise canceling headphones and like some sort of like squishy or feel good, like that they can like tactily use to just kind of like calm and reset their nervous system. Other people like they can more actively advocate for themselves by like getting the accommodations of hybrid work schedule or being able to work around their energy levels. So maybe like they're dead to the world at 8 a.m., but they're like sprites and super productive at 10 a.m. There's actually you can request, and with ADA it depends on the number of employees the employer has. I think it has to be like, can't remember if it's like 5 or 50, but anyways you guys can look it up. But they can ask for like, actually, can I start at 9:30 instead of 8? Because you're going to get more out of me at that time. So just helping your client to understand like what are their rights, how to like develop the courage to ask for what they need, and contingency planning for if the employer says like, no, everybody has to get the same things, and or like, I can do these accommodations, but not these. Like, okay, well, outside of this workspace, how can your life be set up in a way where you can still flourish? So maybe they have like more pleasurable activities or more downtime or more like community time or whatever the case might be, but really having those conversations, helping them to identify their needs and helping them to identify ways that they can get those needs met, whether it be through self advocacy or connection or specific strategies and tools.